My Sunday suppers growing up were absolutely insane. Sometimes it felt like thousands of people. It was usually 20 to 40 people. We all ate together. You had to eat together. And it was a 2 to 5 hour affair. They were sacred. We could not miss those as a kid. Bolognese is one of those very special occasion meat sauces. It's like the ultimate meat sauce from Italy. First off, I'm going to cook some pasta. An important element of Tuscan-style cuisine is lightly cooking ingredients with good quality olive oil. Once the olive oil is good and hot, I'm going to add Italian sausage, onion, fennel, carrot, and garlic. Add half a cup of milk and cook that down until all the vegetables are tender. Next, I'm going to add Bertolli Parmesan and Romano with cracked black pepper sauce. I'm looking for something that's obviously delicious, made with great ingredients like diced tomatoes, Romano cheese, onions, olive oil. If you're looking for less kick, try Bertolli Marinara with Italian herbs and fresh garlic. As you're cooking Bolognese sauce, you should see tiny bubbles. You don't want it to be rolling. For my last step, add the pasta back, bring it all together. Often Bolognese is served with an elegant ribbon-shaped pasta, and if it's made fresh, it's otherworldly. Tuscan cooking is all about bringing together simple, quality ingredients. It's feel-good food that brings people together and is perfect for Sunday suppers with family or friends. The Sunday dinner culture in Italy is extremely important, is preserved to this day. Usually it's a lot of fun and not a lot of hassle. So if you've got Bertolli in your back pocket, you're probably gonna have a great time. To taste the Tuscan difference, visit Bertolli.com for more delicious recipes.